Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to explore a new feature of LuBan. It is called Pendant. We open LuBan software. Go to File, Create, Photo Magic. Pendant is one of the methods. Pendant. So Pendant will create a small hanging decoration for your Christmas or for your Christmas tree. For example, you can load any photo, black and white photo. Now in this case, let's open Eagle. The pendant method will create a pole that goes through the object with a hanging knob. You can optionally set a frame. By default, there is no frame, but you can set a frame, for instance, triangular frame, rectangular frame, square frame, so on and so forth. You can also turn the frame corner to rounded corner or the default corner. You can set the frame width. I'll leave it at 3. You can also set a tolerance parameter. The tolerance parameter controls the distance from the pole to the surface, inner surface of the object. If I set it to -0.3, you will see that there is a small gap between the pole and the inner surface. This will leave the two objects, one is the red one, the other one is the white one, detached when you print them. I would recommend that you print the pendant flat on bed. As you can see, the pole is in the middle of the air. Therefore, you need some support to print the pole. The support will also go into the space between the object and the pole, but no worries. Some slicer setting, actually any slicer setting should have a setting called gap between the top layer of the supported structure. And you can set the gap to be 1 layer or 2 layers. If you are using 0.2 millimeter layer height, 2 layers means 0.4 millimeter, and 1 layer means 0.2 millimeter. So within that distance, there won't be any support structure generated. That means even when there is support structure in between the pole and the red object, they should be easily removed because there is only very minimum amount. And in most cases, if you set it to 0.2, you only leave with 1 layer of gap between the two objects. Then there shouldn't be any support structure generated. So the red object can freely rotate around the pole. For now, I have not printed any of the pendants, so I'm not sure whether the pole is too thin at the top. So it's thinner at the top and thicker at the bottom to prevent the object from sliding downwards. After your test print, if you think this one is too thin, you can increase the thickness. For instance, you increase it to 10, and then the pole should be strong enough. And whether the strength is enough for your application really depends on your material, your filament, and your printer. Okay. And obviously, you can set the model X and Y size. Okay, so that is the new feature. I hope you enjoy the pendant feature. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.